Want to stop comments on a Facebook post but don't know how? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to disable comments on a Facebook post. So let's get started. Open the Facebook app on a device and go to your profile. Find the post for which you want to disable comments. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right of the post. From the menu that appears, select who can comment on your post. You'll see the options like public, followers, profiles and pages you mention. Choose profiles and pages you mention to effectively stop comments from everyone. Tap on the done button and your settings will be applied. Now no one can comment on that post unless you have mentioned them. And that's how you can disable comments on Facebook posts. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and leave a comment if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon for more easy tips and tricks.